We'll guide you through how to make YouTube banner in Pixellab. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create a professional YouTube banner using Pixellab without advanced design skills. It helps beginners set the correct banner size, add text, and design a clean layout for branding their channel. Start from your laptop home screen. Locate the search bar on the screen, type Pixellab, and click Open to ruining the application from the results list. Tap the three dots menu on the top bar, then select Image Size to open the canvas settings. Set the width to 2560px and set the height to 1440px to match YouTube banner dimensions. Tap OK to apply the canvas size. Tap the trash icon to delete the default text that appears on the canvas. Tap the layer icon to confirm the canvas is empty and ready for design. Open the background option and choose a solid color or gradient background that matches your channel style. Tap the text icon and select Add Text to insert a text layer. Type your YouTube channel name in the text box. Open the Edit menu to adjust the text settings. Change the font style to a suitable typeface. Increase the text size so the channel name is clearly visible. Change the text color if needed to ensure good contrast with the background. Move the text to the center area of the canvas. Add a second text layer for a tagline or upload schedule. Resize the second text smaller than the main channel name. Align both texts properly so they look balanced and organized. Keep all important text in the center safe area to avoid cropping on different devices. Add shapes if needed for decoration or layout support. Adjust shape opacity for a clean and modern look. Zoom out to review the entire design on the canvas. Make final position adjustments to ensure all elements are centered and aligned correctly. Tap the Save icon on the top bar to export the banner. Choose Format for the file output. Save the banner to your device for use on your YouTube channel.